Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to show you guys what I got for my birthday. It was my birthday on the 17th of February, so just after Valentine's Day, and I was 28 years old. Oh my gosh. I basically had a weekend of just eating and drinking, and I really want to show you guys kind of a rough idea of what I got for my birthday. So first of all, I'm going to start off with a really cute kind of gin related idea. This is from a shop, I think it's called Demi John, and they're based in York. And my friends basically got me the most amazing gin set, and basically they're like the different liqueurs. So one of them is like a blackcurrant one of them's a gooseberry liqueur. They're just really cute ones, and it tells you whereabouts they're made as well. So this one was made in Glasgow, then this one was made in Worcestershire, and then this one is East Lothian, I think, something like that. But basically they're amazing, and then you get to put a little personalised message on the back as well. So this one says, "Happy birthday, Holly, with love." I just thought that was such a cute little gift, and then you just kind of just push this little spoke out here, and that releases your gin. So basically you can make that as such a nice little present for somebody, and they do have a website, so I'm going to link it below and just see if you guys can maybe order it online. But I just thought that was so pretty. You will see a theme here with all of my presents. But anyway, next thing from my friend, oh this is so cute, I love candles. This one is a peony and linden blossom wax filled candle. I just really love candles in general. I just kind of put them all over my house and in my bathroom and things like that. And this one is just a really nice, pretty little white one. Oh my god, it smells so beautiful. I love kind of floral scents, especially in the bathroom. I really love things like that as I'm having a little bath, so that's amazing. And then also another one of my friends got me another one. I don't actually know where this one's from, but it says "Enjoy Today," and it's a little candle, so I thought afterwards I could use that for something cute as a little pot. So I love candles, they are always a winner with me. Next up, even more kind of alcohol gin related themes. These are from my lovely friends Morris and Sasha, and they got me the most amazing rhubarb and ginger gin. This one is by Whitley Neal, and it's a really nice dry gin. This one actually my sister is obsessed with and got me into. Whenever I go around to her house, I always have this, and I just absolutely loved it. So the boys got me a bottle, and it's, oh my god, amazing. I don't actually think it comes out purple though, but I just thought it was a really cute bottle, and then you can use it like obviously afterwards to kind of decant into. But anyway, a bit like my sparkly Hendrix one, if anyone has seen that on my Instagram, oh my god, I'm obsessed with it, from my friend Natalie. This is just, I love pretty bottles, I'm like obsessed with them. Sticking with the kind of alcoholic theme, but this is going more into chocolates, my mum got me these amazing House of Dorchester pink Prosecco caramel truffles. Oh, so freaking good. I'm so excited for these because they're basically just filled with Prosecco caramel. Oh my god, so good. And then also from my mum, I'm going to try and insert a photo because I don't actually have the furniture yet. This shows how old I'm getting because I'm obviously in my new house now. I asked for garden furniture, and I've asked for, they're like wicker kind of, I don't know what you call them, but they're basically like wicker kind of chairs that you put outside, and I'll link them below anyway. I actually got mine from Tesco's, and then I got a really cute, because you can't actually find the green cushion that's on the back. I really liked that look, so I actually got that from eBay. Well, my mum did, but I kind of sourced it all online. So I will link everything below, and the cushion is the back cushion. So I just really liked that for outside. And then they kind of store away into this really cute little kind of, it almost looks like a vase, but it just means that you don't have to have them out all the time, all year round. So I really liked that. So from my mama, bless her, she got me a couple of other little bits as well, like makeup bits, but I just want to show you the kind of non-makeup-y bits that she got me. My lovely friend Charlotte, oh my gosh, people know me so well. This one is a Prosecco gift set, and this is from Thornton's, so it's got some really nice, I don't know if they're truffles or if they've got like caramel in them, I don't actually know, but then also a little mini bottle of Prosecco. She knows me so well. As I said, there is a massive theme to this, but I thought that was a really cute gift. So any of you guys, if you're looking for little presents to buy for friends, I'm telling you, I was more than happy to receive this. Then from my sister, she was like, what can I buy you for the house? Because I was really struggling. And she's also, bless her, we're going away skiing this week. So my sister has kind of sorted me out a few bits while we're skiing. But anyway, she wanted to get me a couple of little bits for the house, and she was like, what do you need? So I basically need champagne glasses. Who doesn't? Because I can, you know, clearly I don't have enough alcohol. So anyway, these ones I thought were amazing. So these are actually from George from Asda, and they're called Monte Carlo champagne flutes. So you get 4 of them. So I'm just going to open them up so you guys can see. So this is how they look, and I just really love the shape of them. I think as far as champagne flutes go, these are actually really quite nice, and they're just a really pretty kind of yeah, shape to them. I've actually got matching wine glasses as well. These are actually something like £6 for 4 of them, which is actually really good going as far as champagne glasses go. I know that because I asked my sister for them, and I have got some already, but as I said, I smashed a couple of them. I know, and so bless her, she bought me those to kind of restock. So yes, plenty of drinks going on in the Sheeran household. And then also, while she was there, I think she just loved these. These are from their Styled by George home range. They're like similar to the other ones, but these are copper. So I just get one of them out. So, oh my gosh, look how pretty. Because I basically have like a ridiculous copper theme in my house. It just goes the whole way through, as you can see in the background, everywhere. Everywhere. If you guys have seen my home tour, you will have seen I love copper. So yeah, copper and rose gold all in at the moment, and so yeah, Becky got me a couple of these ones as well, which I thought was so pretty. So a lot of prosecco and, you know, champagne to be drank, and gin potentially in there. Oh, loving life. And then the final physical thing, so there is one more thing as well, which I'm going to tell you about in a second, but this is from my lovely friend Claire, who also made me sorry, the most insane birthday cake ever, which I'm going to put a picture up now just so you guys can appreciate how amazing this cake is. Like, oh my days, this is so good. So anyway, that was my cake, and it was a salted caramel and chocolate cake with like loads of stuff and pretzels and chocolate on the top. Oh my gosh, she really spoiled me, so that was incredible. I will link her website as well below, just in case you guys have not been to check her out. If you're local to Nottingham as well, she's an incredible, insanely talented cake baker, so please go and check her out. She's also on Instagram and all the rest of it, so go and follow her. And so bless her, she got me, because this is so random, but I think she asked my sister what I wanted to be all sneaky, and this is so random, but again for my house, because I live in a flat, you basically come straight in off the communal walkway into my flat, and so I was just getting mud everywhere all in my flat all the time. It's driving me nuts. So I wanted a really nice doormat, so this is the one that she got me. It's got a little star on, and it's actually the exact same one that Becky, my sister, has. So I love this. Sorry if it's a little bit dirty, because I have actually used it already, because I was that excited I just put it outside immediately. So yeah, it's a really pretty one, little star mat. So if any of you guys are looking for like home stuff, that's perfect. I will again link all of this stuff below, or try to, as best as I can. Some of the stuff obviously I'm not sure where people got from, like the candles, but I will try my best. I've had such a nice birthday. But then one of my presents, you guys may have seen on Instagram, I've kind of been like teasing you all that there may well be a special someone in my life. Well, there is, and anyway, basically I've been so spoiled. I will introduce you to him at some stage, don't worry, but for the time being, he is the sweetest angel, and basically for my birthday has surprised me with a trip to Prague. Oh my god, which I'm so excited about. He's honestly the sweetest guy I've ever met in my life, and yes, we're going to Prague in March, so literally in a couple of weeks time. I will of course take you guys with me. I'll be taking so many photos. We're going to stay in an Airbnb there, and just I've spent about 5 days there, so I'm so excited. So yeah, I'll be sure to keep you guys updated. It's literally 2 weeks from like a few days ago, so probably about a week and a half by the time this goes up. So be sure to be looking at my Instagram, because I'll post loads of photos on there, and I'm sure I'll do a video of some kind. But I really hope you guys have enjoyed today's video, and happy birthday to me. Yes, although it's a little bit late now. Anyway, it's now going to be my sister's birthday this week. In fact, by the time this goes up, it probably will have already been her birthday. So it'll be her 30th birthday, so we're all going out skiing, like a massive group of family and friends. So excited. So of course I'll be popping loads of stuff up on social. If you guys haven't seen that as well, go and check it out below. All of my links and everything, all my handles are below in my info bar. And I'll stop rambling on now, but I'll see you guys in a few days time in my next video. Bye!